Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Sri Rama Bharati Public School. This is Natasha here and we are continuing with our chapter Climate. In the previous video we had seen all the major factors that are responsible for bringing in monsoon winds to India, and further we saw the onset of monsoon and retreating of monsoon. Now in this video we will see that the rainfall during monsoon is not evenly distributed throughout the Indian territory. There are places which receive a rainfall as high as 400 centimeter. On the other hand, there are places that receive rainfall as low as you can say 60 centimeter. So this shows that the distribution of rainfall is highly uneven over the Indian peninsula. Now, there are parts like western coast and northeastern parts that receive over 400 centimeter of rainfall. The western coast and the northeastern parts, they receive rainfall as high as 400 centimeter. The southwest winds that bring in monsoon, one diverges towards the Saurashtra region. It covers the entire western coast and causes precipitation over there. On the other hand, the other branch, the Bay of Bengal branch, it causes rainfall in the northeastern states. So these two areas receive very high rainfall. But there are parts of western Rajasthan and its adjoining areas that receive rainfall as low as 60 centimeter. Now, this is due to presence of a relief feature called Aravali Hills in Rajasthan. This range, it blocks the monsoon wind and it causes rainfall just on the windward side. Thar Desert, being present on the leeward side, does not receive precipitation from these monsoon winds. The rainfall is equally low in interior part of the Deccan Plateau. Now the Deccan Plateau does not receive much rainfall as well. Why? Because the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch, they merge over the northern plains. So the northern part of India receives quite high rainfall, but the Deccan Plateau fails to get much precipitation. Similarly, Ladakh also receives very less rainfall. Ladakh is present to the north of Himalayas, or you can say it is present to the other hand of Himalayas. So these are Himalayas and Ladakh is present here. So Himalayas, they block the monsoon winds from entering into Ladakh, and this is the reason why Ladakh does not get much precipitation as it is present on the leeward side of Himalayas. Now, rest part of the country receives moderate rainfall and snowfall is restricted to Himalayan region. Himalayan region receives precipitation in the form of snowfall. Along with this uneven distribution, the annual rainfall is highly variable as well. The annual rainfall, or you can say an area that receives amount of rainfall in a year, is different too. So now we know for a fact that rainfall is highly unevenly distributed throughout India. Now we will see how this monsoon acts as a unifying bond. How does monsoon unify our entire country? Now there are physical features that help in monsoonal type of climate. We studied all those factors in previous videos, and this leads to rhythmic cycle of monsoon. Why we say that the cycle of monsoon is rhythmic? Because it does not rain for the entire 100 or 120 days. There are breaks in monsoon. It rains for a few days, then it has a break, then it again rains. This cycle is quite rhythmic. Now the entire phenomena such as landscapes, animal and plant life. All these creatures, all these living beings, they revolve around the monsoon. Monsoon has quite a great significance in India, and whole agricultural calendar, you can say, depends on monsoon. The agricultural fields, the farmers, they are highly dependent on monsoon, and the life of people, including their festivals, also revolve around monsoon. So there are states that enthusiastically celebrate the onset of monsoon. Whole country awaits the arrival of monsoon, and it provides the main reason, it provides water to rivers and ponds, which unites the whole nation. River is not a state entity, it is a national entity. So when the monsoon is providing water to rivers and ponds, it is used by the entire adjoining areas, not by a particular state. So monsoon is a season which is celebrated throughout India. It is the much awaited season of the people of India. So we can say that it plays an important role in unifying our country. So this is it for this video. Stay safe and have a good day.